Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be drilling holes to plant these trees. I got hired just to do the holes. The guy's going to plant them, but I still figured out why not video it. So got 7 total, so a couple trees over there, one there, here, there, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's go ahead. I'm going to move this one. I think this one, I said I'll put the trees where they're going to go, so I'm guessing this is going to go here, that's going to go there. Do want to show you, I can zoom in on it, but over there, that stone wall I did, and this bluestone steps, and did a bluestone patio over there, and a whole bunch of work on this property, sidewalks. The whole basement I did a brick floor. So that was a long time ago now, probably seven years ago. So everything held up pretty nicely. And there's still a lot of bluestone over there in the weeds that I actually sold this guy years ago now. I think 15 pallets of bluestone from the 1800s. So, yep. So it's still, everything looks good. You know, a long time ago, this was all woods here, and we cleared it all, so pretty cool. Also, the carpentry work on the house, my buddy and I did a ton of work on this place. Did that whole enclosed back greenhouse. Let me zoom in again. Over there, and a bunch of stuff inside, like pretty cool 3D ceilings and stuff in the living room. This guy, or kitchen, this guy, he likes his old 1800s like theme, I guess. So he when you go in there, there's all antiques and stuff. Pretty cool. But anyways, and then that barn, we did some work in that barn and porch off of it. And this is a nice piece of property right in the middle of the village here. Very nice. So anyway, let me get started on this. So let's drill this first hole, see how it goes, and then we'll work our way around. And I should mention that we don't have to worry about any underground utilities or anything, because I know this property good anyway, but there's nothing running back here. So it for this job. Pretty quick work of that, huh? So this is a 20-inch auger bit, and this machine's a 260 John Deere, older, but doesn't have crazy amount of hours on it. So I do have rubber tracks I want to put on this, which would make it a lot nicer, because you can see, because it's such a heavy machine, and when you're turning, I try to turn really gentle, but you can see you definitely get a couple marks. They're not bad, but you know, the tracks would be nicer. Figure I'll show you quick. Some of the work here. So there's a bluestone patio under this, which you really can't see anymore because it's covered in stuff, but I did this sidewalk years ago all the way over around the front, and did not do those blocks. You just threw them there. But besides that, but that stone wall, see, hand stacked. Took me a while to do that too. And this, I think I mentioned in one of my videos, this stone right here, 1,800 pounds. Or no, 3,800 pounds, sorry. 3,800 pounds. And built all this stone wall. And then built it under there, and that's what that's sitting on, see? So when I learned, I bought rustic field stone on pallets. Didn't realize how much work it was to put shims and chip them, and where I could have got the nice stackable stuff. And then this is patio did. Patio inside there. Around here, did this whole thing, which was old brick. And this is the look he wanted too. Herringbone. It looks old. This was probably 7 years ago I did all this. So not too bad, never moved. So, and these are the stairs, steps going down, which is cool. Walks out to the pond. But yeah, that was definitely a pretty cool project. But all right guys, I'm gonna end this video and hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you want, and maybe give a thumbs up if you want. If you don't, that's all right. But I'll see you on the next one.